Tom, we doing POV in the motherfucking Scats today, man. What we doing? You putting this bitch in sport mode off rip? Hell nah.
Hell nah.
Let me see how I feel regularly, bro. I haven't drove a Charger yet.
It's the same shit, nigga.
It's the same shit?
Pretty much.
See, this the one thing we gotta talk shit about with Dodge, bro. Why do Dodge and Kia have the same motherfucking switch right here, bro?
They do?
Yes, bro. My dad got this shit, bro. In his Kia. Let me not say that shit. I mean, in his, shit. Put that bitch in drive. I ain't gonna go too far because I don't want to leave my car that long. Be doing a little PLV, motherfucking Scat.
Damn.
That bitch get up. Should I be nervous?
Man, you got wheel free. You shouldn't be nervous.
I ain't never been behind this much power before, man. I ain't gonna lie, hearing that bitch. Nah, I'm slight nervous just because the drag tires, bro. I never drove with drag tires before.
I never did either, but shit, I'm controlling that shit.
Shit, we finna turn right. Damn, turn right.
I don't know if I kind of want regular tires. Like, I don't know if I want drag tires.
In the wintertime, it's gonna get cold.
Oh.
You gonna be spinning like a motherfucker, so you ain't got no grip. Pause. You gonna let me go? Appreciate it. Damn, I need to go cut my mufflers off in some motion.
Don't do that. Custom exhaust, nigga. That's gonna make it. Yeah. This bitch got custom exhaust.
Damn. How the brakes is on this shit?
It's decent shit. Don't be breaking laying shit though.
Oh, this shit like my OG in Chrysler, gang. Well, you gotta actually kind of, you feel me?
Yeah.
Put your, bro, the new Chryslers, man. You stomp on that bitch, you might be outside the window.
Yeah, them bitches sensitive as fuck.
Hold on. Let's see my mirrors and shit.
Oh, nigga ain't just no mirrors or nothing. He just hopped in this bitch on Jesus.
Should I turn right? Yeah, let me turn right.
Bro, gas so damn high out here, bro.
314, bro.
314 is insane.
That's cheap, bro.
That's cheap for all.
That's cheap out here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The cheapest I paid so far here was 312, and that's by the Citgo by the school, gang.
I see that 314.
Damn. Man, this bitch sound crazy. I might get a scrap, bro. Damn, of course I'm gonna come over here and it's a lot of traffic. Bro, you gotta take that toolbox out this bitch, bro. I'm feeling that bitch when I'm punching it. That's what that is.
Yeah, I know that's what that is. Shit, you gotta have that bitch in. You just get the kill switch fall off.
That's not what you worried about. This bitch in sport?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is it? You see the nigga? Do you see it? What's that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that bitch in sport.
Bitch, you got the traction off?
It's slightly off. It's in sport mode, nigga.
Oh.
Always in sport mode. Nigga, they even lose traction.
This a merge lane or what? I can't tell. Oh, nah.
That nigga.
Damn. Motherfucker. Damn, your shit squealing?
Nah, it ain't my shit.
Now it ain't his shit.
It ain't my shit. I don't want that right now.
Damn. You gotta get a police radar ASAP, bro.
Yeah, I do.
I'm gonna turn right and hope this bitch put us in a U-turn. Damn, you lucky as hell. Damn, you OD lucky, gang. I ain't gonna lie.
Why you say that?
Cause this bitch exotic, boy.
That shit regular. Damn, I ain't gonna lie. It don't feel regular to me. I don't lie like a bitch.
Nah, this hard, bro. I'm finna just turn right ahead and get out of this bitch like that. Why the fuck that bitch doing all that for? Sam, what I hit the shifter or something?
Probably, yeah. It's only get this downshift the hard as hell.
I know, that's why I asked. Yeah, I'm gonna go to jail if I get one of these bitches. Cause who finna stop?
He said, not me. Got old ladies looking at you and shit.
You know what you should do, gang? What the fuck is this? This a school? Oh, this is Downers Grove.
That's DGS?
Yeah.
Damn, I've never been to DGS.
I have. I play basketball. Damn. You gonna drive this bitch every day, gang? Damn, I was finna go straight. I ain't gonna lie.
Driving like you every day.
Fuck the point of getting it there.
You know, shit, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta live live, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, you paying for the insurance as a race car driver, bro. Use that bitch like a race car driver, bro. I'm finna turn right. You should pull the motherfucking phone up, the motherfucking app on your phone, to see how far away we is from the other store.
My head going back and shit.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If you driving and the bitch giving you head, all you gotta do is this shit right here. All you gotta do is pat that motherfucker. And head finna be feeling decent as hell. Yeah, that is your shit.
That ain't my shit. What the fuck you talking about, bro? Oh, he's 7 minutes away. Yeah, I might put gas in this bitch instead of on E.
Damn, you is almost on E.
See how much money I got in my bank. Probably put 45 in.
Damn, 45, you a big baller, gang.
45? That's not shit. I'm broke as hell. I need to get back home, though. Shit.
Shit.
45?
Shit, 45 might get me a full tank now.
45 ain't giving me shit. 45 give me a Happy Meal, now.
You say a Happy Meal. Happy Meal is crazy. I should've won, I ain't gonna lie. But this not my car, bro. If this was my car, I would've spun this bitch the first time, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, I could've been winning like 2 times.
I ain't spend my car. I ain't do no burnout yet. I ain't do
The fact you let your granddad spend your shit before you was crazy
Man, I
as
ain't know
fuck.
he was gonna do that shit, folks.
Crazy as
So random.
fuck. I about to kill his ass, shoot his ass up, and smoke shit, Swiss cheese his ass.
There's some Swiss cheese in his hand. He said, nigga, you a better man than me. Everybody keep telling me that shit.
Damn, I can't tell if I can go for real.
Man, go. Yeah, go ahead, go.
Hell nah, hell nah, hell
could've
nah.
won, bro.
I can go now after this car.
You can't get nothing for sure. Oh, you going that way? I'm tweaking. I thought you was on the right.
Bro, how the fuck am I already doing 85, bro?
Scat pack screaming. Too busy dogging the demon, nigga.
Nah, you gonna go to jail, bro. Cause like you not really pushing on this bitch, bro. And you already doing 100 miles per hour and shit. And they finna hear you from a mile away. Well, I gotta turn that right
You
here.
gotta turn them lights off. You're on that E-way.
Nah, yeah. It's further up, ain't it? Yeah. Man, what? Trying to make sure your gas light don't turn on. Nah, I know we can go out for gas though, get the cheapest type shit. Unless they shit went up. I don't think it went up though. They always cheap. She trying to steal some Durangos tonight.
Discord and shit.
Court.
Discord.
Oh, I thought you said court. Let me find out.
Just got the car.
You wanna go steal some Durangos?
Huh? On camera is crazy.
I know what they at. Good
Yeah,
bad.
that's SITs on maybe.
Oh, they RTs.
You can still break my bitches down, make some profit.
Oh God, all you gotta do is take the dealer track off of it. See?
You know what I heard?
Yeah, see? What?
I heard when a car just sitting on the light don't got no track on it.
On the lot?
That's what I heard, but I don't know if that's true.
I feel like it depends on the dealership.
Yeah, for sure.
If it's you feel me? Some bullshit dealership, I believe it. Dealership I bought my shit from? No, hell no. They had exotic shit on the lot. I know they had trackers in that bitch. Man. Man, we ain't gotta wait for the light. Look in this. this left lane, though. Damn, man. Man, man. Man, what? Trying to make sure your gas light don't turn on. Nah, you gonna get a you gonna go to jail if I get one of these. Damn, man. Man, man. Man, what? Trying to make sure your gas light don't turn on. Nah, you gonna get a you gonna go to jail if I get one of these.
that SS?
That motherfucker across the street, man. Damn, why my shit blurry? What the fuck? I can't tell. Yeah, it's SS because the red badge on that bitch.
I didn't thought it was a Z01.
He got a red that bitch, so I know he just seen the cameras out. Oh, he a hoe. He a hoe. He a hoe.
Niggas be having rock cons for no reason. Nigga like me.
Motherfucker going to speed limit and shit.
You know that bitch is V6, but
Yeah, that bitch GT.
You can tell by the wheels.
I can tell by the way he driving that bitch, he don't want to push that bitch for real. I'm saying that shit like I'm not finna be driving myself like a civilian the rest of the week and shit.
Shit, you gotta say gas. Shit, I know I'm driving my shit for like a civilian.
Shit, it only like you can make it to the gas station, gang. That bitch say low range mile. What the fuck that mean?
That means low range mile, nigga.
You don't show how many miles is on that bitch?
It did. It said it was at 10, but shit, that shit went off.
We gonna be stuck somewhere.
Nigga said
Then they gave me a straightaway. Say no more.
I thought you should have hit that curve. I love the sound it make when it's shifting to gears, bro. Like,
I ain't gonna lie. This car just fucked my whole entire mood up, gang.
why you say that?
Cause why the fuck he turned my lane slow as hell just to turn in the left lane, bro?
Yeah, what? Nigga, the Scat back screaming too because he dogging the demon.
From this hit a UE, he turned up there. Man, what the fuck? What the fuck? You signed your life away for this bitch, but I ain't mad. I ain't mad though.
Man, don't forget you can refinance in 6 months, bro.
What the fuck you talking about? Damn, I just realized I left my other phone in that car, but that's a free ass lick.
300 yen phone.
And wallet in that bitch too. Free ass lick. I was too excited to drive this motherfucker. Yeah, I was dead ass wanna just check my phone to see if my trucker was cool. Yeah, I got a tracker in my shit. Don't try it, bitch.
Shit, you got the double tracker in your tracker. They ain't getting rid of that shit.
Oh, God.
Unless they ship your shit in 24 hours.
Man, leave my shit on the street somewhere like that one Durango.
Butt ass naked.
Butt ass naked.
Ain't no boats, no nothing. Just butt ass naked.
Ain't no motherfucking reels on that bitch. It was straight body gang. Like that bitch was coming out the motherfucking line at the dealership, bro. Bro, imagine finding your car like that, gang. I feel shitty as hell.
Yeah, especially you gotta make payments on that bitch still. I them the crowd. I feel bad for that one girl though. Scat to the Subaru, crazy.
Crazy as fuck. And I don't give a fuck what type of Subaru it is. I don't give a fuck if it's a 2024 Subaru. Damn. Fuck they going so slow, folk. They don't see a scat on this motherfucker. Would you put another badge on this bitch?
Another badge?
Yeah.
Like more badges?
Yeah.
I want to put the 392 Hemi badge on the side and shit. But I don't know. I might, you know, like, you see this Charger shit, nigga? Awesome, put SIT right here. Put the SIT steering wheel right here and shit, you know what I'm saying? This camera's so fucking raw, gang.
I don't like how close that motherfucker seems to me, gang.
With the camera?
Hell yeah.
Is that close?
I don't know, I was just talking shit. Damn.
That bitch do got a big ass extended clip on it.
Oh God, big ass dick. You really gonna take this red shit off?
I don't know.
I don't know how I feel about it yet.
Same. Some people tell me to keep it. Some people say just take that shit off.
Like, it's cool, but not cool at the same time. Maybe it's just because it's not done fully. But I don't know. I'm a black type of guy. All right, why you make it seem like that, gang? Why you just put the camera on like that was some weird shit to say, bro?
Yeah, say you like it. That's woman nice well melanin and shit.
How you know? How you know? Light skin.
This shit though, like I don't know. I feel iffy about
Light skin,
If
petite.
that bitch was black, I wouldn't cut. But like, I don't know.
Nah, I don't like how that shifter look with that bullshit on there. Even if it was black, I don't know if I like how I look on there, to be honest. My car at? Damn, where my car at? It gotta be further down. There's no way.
Yeah, I think it is.
Damn,
Late ass brakes and shit.
bro, his ass put on turn signal late as hell.
I heard do that shit.
Nigga, my car gone.